Do you feel like you understand English well, but when you try to speak, you get stuck? You don't have a teacher, you don't live in an English-speaking country, and you have no one to practice with. Well, I have good news for you, because you don't need a classroom to become fluent. You only need a simple system. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to learn English at home, by yourself, using only 30 minutes a day. The first thing you must understand is that most people think they need to study for 5 hours a day, but that is a huge mistake. The real secret to fluency is not intensity, it is consistency. 15 minutes of daily practice is 10 times better than 3 hours once a week, because your brain needs daily repetition to make English a habit. So let's start with your new 30-minute routine. Your first step is smart listening for 15 minutes. Instead of listening to difficult movies, choose easy English stories or podcasts and listen to the same audio 3 or 4 times. The first time you understand the idea, the second time you hear the grammar, and by the third time those words actually become yours. Once you finish listening, move directly into 10 minutes of active reading. Find short texts and don't just read them in your head. You must read them aloud. This connects your eyes to your voice. If you see a useful phrase, write it down and immediately create a personal sentence about your own life to lock it into your memory. Then, to finish your session, spend 5 minutes on the shadowing technique. This is the most powerful tool you have. Listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say immediately after them. Copy their rhythm, their speed, and even their emotion. You are basically borrowing their fluency until it becomes your own natural voice. Now, you might ask, but who can I speak with? The answer is simple. Speak to yourself. Narrate your day by saying things like, I am making coffee now, or today was a busy day. Doing this at home builds your muscle memory without the fear of making mistakes. So when you finally meet a real person, your mouth is already used to moving in English. Remember, action always comes before motivation. Don't wait to feel ready, just start today. If you understand more than last month or can say one more sentence than yesterday, you are winning. Small daily progress over time becomes a big change. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments. What is your biggest struggle with learning English at home? I read every comment, and I will see you in the next video.